On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not working or not loading easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then go back to the apps, click on the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is search for TikTok right here like this, and then go to the power usage details, click on the app launch, disable this option and click OK. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back and now click on the force stop. Now let's go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, disable the airplane mode, and now open the Play Store, search for TikTok and make sure to update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.